In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your SignNow free trial. Whether you've tried it out and decided it's not quite the right fit for you, or you're just not ready to commit right now, that's perfectly okay. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. We'll make it as simple and straightforward as possible, so you won't have to worry about missing a beat. To start, you'll want to head over to your dashboard on SignNow. This is your central hub where you likely perform most of your tasks. It's the starting point for accessing all areas of your account, including managing your subscription. Now, look over to the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon. This is the Settings button. Click on it to access your account settings. This section allows you to make changes to your personal information, set preferences, and, most importantly for today's task, manage billing and subscriptions. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, locate the Billing and Subscription option. Clicking this will take you to a page with all your billing details and subscription management tools. It's designed to give you a full view of your current subscription status and options for what you can do next. Now here's the crucial part. Carefully look for a hyperlink that states "Cancel your subscription." It's usually placed below your billing information, and it might not be the most conspicuous at first glance, so a keen eye will be beneficial. Once you find it, click on it. This link is your gateway to officially starting the cancellation process. At this stage, SignNow will want to confirm your decision. It's a thoughtful step to ensure you really want to cancel your free trial. If you're sure about discontinuing, go ahead and click on Cancel Free Trial. It's as simple as that. However, if you find yourself second-guessing or need more time to consider, there's no pressure. You can easily hit Return to My account instead and take a moment to reassess your needs. That's pretty much it. Canceling your sign. Now, free trial is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Remember, it's always important to manage trials actively to avoid any unexpected charges. And of course, if you decide in the future that SignNow does meet your needs, you can always restart a subscription later. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any further questions or need additional help. Until next time.